What is up there, everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video. I'm sad to say, but I have completely failed in the stock market. From what, $810 down to $2. How crazy is that? All just because I wanted to try options. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do from here, because you guys are probably like, there's no point in watching Casper anymore. You can't do anything with that money. Well, I'll be like, well, actually, I think what I'm going to do is just save up some money, and I'm going to restart the challenge from $500, or I can start it quicker, like sooner, within like a week or two, from like $100 or $200, and then try to grow that amount of money. So comment down below what you think I should do, because any option is fine for me. So basically what I'm just doing is holding that Snapchat put. Though it fell today, no, it went up today like crazy. I think I'm just going to sell it at $3. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything. I have so many good ideas. Like, alright, I'm just going to tell you right now. If I would have money, I would invest in DWT, which is an ETF. It hit its low right around here. If you can see, it doesn't show. But before aftermarket hours, it hit the low of around $14.90. So I would have bought in there. I saw the price at that time. I was going to think like, alright, if I had money, I'm just trying to practice without even money. So if I had money, I would buy in there. And already in after hours, it climbed up almost 6%. So that would have been a nice, like, how much is this? From $14.90 to $16.60. That's a nice 15% gain on one stock. And just these little opportunities. I think when I restart, I'm going to do swing trading. I'm not going to try options anymore. I'm sorry, but I don't like to get into this stuff that's super risky. I'd rather keep it a little more simpler. And I just want your guys' opinion. Tell me what you think. The stock market's all over the place right now. Trump is saying tons of stuff that can make the stock market go in either direction. And SPY, there it is. Alright, this tracks the stock market. It's just like an index. So what do you guys think will happen in the stock market now? Because recently it's been crashing since like October. It began crashing. And what do you guys think will happen right now? Do you think it's going to try to push back up and get back to its highs around at least $268 SPY? So that means you guys think the stock market will go up like 8% still, or you guys think it's going to continue to drop until it crashes completely? What do you guys think? Just comment down below. What I think personally is that it tried to it tried to push up, but it's starting to rally back down, and I feel like it's going to go down to $234 or even lower, because if it's a crash, it's a crash. It has momentum going downwards, so it's probably going to continue that way. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'm sorry to have you see me like this, down to $2.50 exactly. So if you guys want, I'll restart the challenge to actually do swing trading and not just do options, because options are a little doo-doo. I mean, I just don't know how to do them. I'm just kind of mad at them because I lost all my money on them. So I could restart the challenge from like $100 to $200 within like next week. Or if you guys want, I can save up some money, and within a month, I'd probably save up around $500 to start the challenge again from 500 to $1 million. So just comment down below what you think I should do, and I'll read those comments and I'll see what you guys think, and I'll make my decision based on that, and obviously I'll think for it myself. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I wish you success in the stock market. And by the way, really quick, won't be posting videos until like Sunday or probably Monday. Next video will be Monday because I'm away, out of town, and there's really bad Wi-Fi here, and I gotta use data to upload this video. So I don't have a lot left. So alright guys, so just have a great day, and thanks for watching.